Person just wake up this morning. My last daughter, she not sleep the same house where I sleep. Now only God know where she go sleep. Now only God now he know. I hope she come ready for this house. Eduke. Huh? Where you come from, Eduke?
Yeah, I'm missing you.
Where you go this morning?
Yeah, I'm missing you.
You have not seen where? Now you have not seen where the place where you go, Abi? Oh, tell me, now so, now you want to live your life, Abi? Eh? Now so you want to live your life? Since morning, person where you go as our place, you never intend to go house. Since morning, you don't go house, you don't sleep, you don't cook. When you know say your mother travel, Abi, you just stay for them. Now so you want to live your life. Go school, you don't go. Learn work, you don't go. Even in Abuna where they see hairdresser, they see fashion designer. Ubamian native where and the secretary, you don't learn. Tell you now where you don't believe say you don't feel like work. Tell me the kind of husband wey go brown put you for house for this one. You go open two eye, put you for house. And the hairdresser, you just believe say that this one use back take over. I mean me a tailor, Oman waka, Uwafi where a machine.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm here.
How are you? Daddy! Daddy, yo!
You don't tell me say you come down.
Daddy, it's a surprise. How are you doing? Daddy, you know where I'm not going to tell you when I'm coming to Nigeria.
Okay.
You understand? I want to shock you, Daddy.
Shock
Daddy!
Now then, you go left for them when they shock you.
Daddy, make us sit down. Daddy, I'm Nigerian.
Nigeria, they fine.
I do it.
Just that the weather too hot. Never not they give us life.
Daddy, I understand. One kakabon. But the born you know where Nika do also play me ramene. Nika ali uteni logi. But
when more to break up?
oh, Daddy, I not carry more to come. If you remember that time when I dey send you go area, go collect money, I dey do shoroti. But now I don't dey do shoroti. I dey learn work. I dey learn tailoring, fashion.
You don't pass the whole of Europe, you don't see any better thing, do not tell us you go learn.
Daddy, not be honorary tailor. The thing is, here you call them tailor. In Europe, we don't call it tailor. We call it Sartoria FM. Europe faction, home of tailoring. Now you get what I mean?
So you don't pass the whole level now, mommy, you don't see work learn. Now ordinary tailor, now you go abroad go learn a bit.
Daddy, not be tailor. For Europe, where I from come, so if you want call them, you go say Sartoria FM.
FM.
Sartoria FM. See, it's there for my phone here, make I show you. Sartoria FM, Europe fashion, home of tailor.
Okay, he don't travel go abroad now, go chop another name, they call am Sartoria FM.
Daddy, you know that. See, that's what I do now. Daddy, who get this place? In name na Freeman, Sosa, there you go.
Now be that guy when they for normal that time.
Freeman,
whether they call Freeman fashion.
There you go. Yeah, but Daddy, you know, but now not be the name again. The name na Sartoria FM. Daddy, you don't hear them.
Allow na Yari FM be by name.
Daddy, the thing when they funny well be say, if you want sew cloth for a hand, you don't need to come the measure your body. Just take your picture through your WhatsApp, send and give them. We will just receive them for Europe. We will sew your cloth for you. Yes. You know they sew cloth, make extra. If you swam, now for Lucon. For Palma City, Just ask of Satoria FM. Everybody know. Parma City, Italy.
If somebody want come send the cloth, go give her. How you want to send them?
If you don't sew your clothes, you don't need to measure your body. Just take your picture through your WhatsApp, send and give them. Go sew your clothes, deliver and give you.
How person want to send that, go give her. How you want come to send? Say I'll send that.
That will not be wahala. If you want send your clothes, give you, you fit take them through courier service, or you fit call the phone number when they the screen so. It's not hard.
If you just sew am, it go just be accurate.
The way you be that one follow come. Capito follow come.
All right.
That day.
I don't hear that.
I work at on the lane. Not till December, I'm free. No more surety. Anything.
I didn't know where from now to December, no money they come for you now.
Now they go do that one. They follow me happy now. But I don't dey learn work. I'm the senior boy.
Not be that free man when they for normal you that time.
Nine.
For upper.
Nine. If you go reach Parma City for Italy, you say you dey look for Satoria. That is to say fashion when they do for Europe there. Now that place, na free man get am.
Na only God know the day when you go learn that one, you can't do freedom. Say you want the pay.
That day I also do am. I also learn am finish. That day people dey bring cloth. They come our place. You understand that day for Parma City. That day wetin I take love na oga free man. E no dey even say you wan measure your body, you go dey take time. As e just see you, you know your size.
No spiritual.
E no be like that cloth when I tell you that time say some cloth come give me from Nigeria. Cloth no size me that day. But for our own office, for Satoria FM, that be the highest. That is supposed to be happening.
I don't know where free man spiritual ya super.
Spiritual that day.
I don't hear you.
That day. Inguna Romano. Oh, that's my lovely sister. Do get on.
You like her now, you don't let your hope for Nigeria yet.
That day do get misbehave.
I think they don't know why, not know to not know her. If you write H for board, it will be like glad that when no party they climb lights.
Okay, why? Why? Do you know what? You had the West one when before I travel back. Okay? So that you're supposed to be happy with me. Daddy, let's go inside now.
Go inside.
I think I go inside.
Go inside.
Alright, Capito, Daddy. I'm on the miaro. I'm on the sun. Mama miaro. Daddy, I'll shock you later. Come on, inside. Come on. Daddy, you come inside. How are you? I'm on the miaro.
How are you? Satoria Capitoria FM. If I don't get my I wait till now. See, free man, try and make you sure I work well because that boy get me here to be. Ha! And I investment in Nigeria till long. Free man, la back out of my own in a government.